Executives. Fatality.
Boy.
The golden child.
Good. So this what it feel like to make something out of nothing, huh? For a young nigga to start with nothing and get motherfucking rich on your dumb ass. Finally famous, nigga. Bitch, my life is nothing but a G-Thing. Pick up 100 G's, take off a G-string. Click full of G's and some badass bitches. I throw your head to the streets, okay? Well, I'll Detroit, hear us. I keep it G, 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 I keep it G. Okay. My life is nothing but a G-Thing. Pick up 100 G's, take off a G-string. Oh, Jesus, they love me to pieces. Got up in the game cause I was tired of the bleachers. Get rich, repeat it, beat it, taste it. I'm delish, looking so good, she put me on her fuck for free list. I turned her on before I go in. I swear that pussy keyless. I might let her rock the mic, then let her friend come get the remix. Oh boy, you know it. Roll a rich nigga weed, with a rich nigga beard. Riding around the city in a rich nigga weird. Yeah, nigga pedigree. For all this rich nigga shit and all these bad hoes, they want a rich nigga dig. Oh God, this life is such a blessing. See, I smoke till I can't smoke no more, and drink is no exception. Man, these crazy niggas crazy. Nigga, when you gon' learn your lesson, they won't talk shit about your plaques, but they gon' talk when you arrested. Let's go. My life is nothing but a G-Thing. Pick up 100 G's, take off a G-string. Click full of G's and some badass bitches on your head to the streets. Okay, well holla if you hear us. I keep it G, 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 I keep it, I keep it G, 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 I keep it G.
Tim Ben Franklin's nigga, that's a G, homie. Flash the pinky ring, baby, you can ski on it, put it in your uterus. You haul, I move the shit, baby, I'm a shark, and these rappers taste like tuna fish. Look at this movie with no movie script. I diarrhea, do the shit, just bought an old school, so that's my newest whip. Cartier's on, I can see all through the shit. I smell Southside with an F, I stand for foolishness. Fuck that shit, fuck with us, had in some luxury. I need a stash spot for a couple keys. When I'm in the Gucci store, I spend some G's to wear some G's. If you was a sucker, I'ma charge your ass a sucker fee. Luckily, smoking on that road for me. Presidential evidence. Truck so big, I can't park it at my residence. Wallet so big, I can't put it in my back pocket. Soon as the ass dropping, the cash dropping.
My life is nothing but a G-Thing. Pick up 100 G's, take off a G-string. Click full of G's and some badass bitches on your head to the streets. Okay, well holla if you hear us. I keep it G, I keep it G, I keep it G, I keep it G, I keep it, I keep it, I keep it G, 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 I keep it G.
Murk it. Mercs one. Mercs one.
So Brewski, fuck what they said. Let's spin the block, go aim for his head. I'm dead until everyone's dead. I'll lay that boy down like he's going to bed. I've got a full clip that I'm taking. Let's see if he backs all them threats he was making. My ops like bacon. Not talking about phones, but I'm clicking and racing.
Yeah.
My foot up your ass. Fucking with me, boy, you're gonna learn fast. With me, no one gets a free pass. They're getting me hopping out, hotties to blast. Broad day with no mask. I see you dead up on the news and I laugh. I'm back sipping that Henny and draft. You're tripping like thinking my enemy's hard.
Okay. He talking that shit. And this beat is hard. Why is this beat knocking though?
Hold up, what I told ya. I'm a Bay Yo white soldier. 87 what I'm reppin' when I roll ya. Fucking rocket ain't enough for sell a boulder. Fucking up and put it on him and he fold up. Motherfucker must have heard I had a pole tuck. Now his fucking mother needs a fucking hold up.
Go.
Hold up, wait. There they go there, this must be the place. Pull up the block and I'm switching the plates. Roll them back down and I aim for his face. Work it,
hey.
smirk it.
Yeah.
spin perfect. She won't bring her friends, worth it. Ay, work it. Watch me do my dance, work it. I step and I spin perfect. She won't bring her friends, worth it.
Murk it.
Watch me do my dance.
Hey,
hey. Perfect.
Yeah.
She won't bring her friends, worth it.
Yeah.
I got a girl, she's a bad bitch, but she told me how she hate this trap shit. Give me a year to go spastic and wrap all of this cash in elastic.
Yeah.
So, baby, ain't that a bit drastic? I said, don't you like booze made of plastic? All that Louis and Gucci and mad shit. Baby, all of that money's from crack.
Okay, man. I like this. I like this. That hook though, murk it. Man, I'm moving in is perfect. Nah, that's hard. That's hard. And that move, bro, y'all know I be doing that move, man. Come on, man. Talk to me. You know what it is, man. Coming from E. Will's channel, Elijah Williams' channel, we big murking over here. Put it in the box, man. Go!
Get in the bands. But for now we know who'd hoodied up with a Gizzy. Rock up to the up block, I'm about to get busy. I'm looking like where the fuck is he? Cause him and his friends. I spot him, I got him, I think I just shot at his legs. Spinning again. Rolling back by him, I aim a bit higher, yeah, we finna hit him again. Get him again. Pitch like video, shit I just
yeah.
Penny, you know that man shouldn't have
Yeah.
Man should have been with his friends. Now that man's dead, it's the end. All his mates got his face in the shirt to remember that friend that they never ever gonna see again.
Ooh. He said, nah, that shit's hard. That shit was hard. He said, never see him again. And like, bro, that flow is fire. His cadence on here is going right now.
I'm heartless. Wanna put all my ops in caskets. Rolling up a dead op and pass it. Looking on my dead ops and I'm laughing. Got me on the gang shit till the day I die. Run up on the op boy, put him in the sky. He's finna look his mother in the eye and tell her how I think it's funny she ain't get to say goodbye. What can I say? I came from the block, that's just how we play. I think every cop that I see is a disgrace, and I pray that one day he gets shot in the face.
Damn. He said every police officer I see is a disgrace. Hope one day they go and get shot in the face. Bam. Like, damn. How many of your niggas got locked up by the police, blood? You know what I'm saying? Shit. Alright. Works one with Market. It's a catchy song though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really a big fan of gang violence and stuff like that, man. Y'all keep it safe out there, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all move lightly. Y'all move on y'all's P's and Q's, man. If y'all into that lifestyle, I'm not mad at you. You know, to rap about it, it's a pretty dangerous thing to rap about. So y'all just make sure, you know what I'm saying, y'all right on that end. But Merc's one where Merc it is fire. The hook was fire. And then a perfect magic Gucci something. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. This reminded me of really early 1-4 videos. Now, I'm not sure if y'all see what I'm saying. That this beat and the music video definitely reminded me of 1-4 a lot. His flows that he had on here was nice too. He kept switching it up every now and then, you know what I'm saying? Not different, same different flow. And the click clack boom sounds he was doing, that was hard. Yo. This song was hard. This sounds like something I'd pull up to the gas station in, you know what I'm saying? Let everybody know what's playing when I get up out the wet. But yeah, Merc's one with Merc it was fire. This was fire. Let me know what y'all want to see from me next. You already know I got the original video link down below in the description. Y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn them post notifications on for your boy, and don't forget to like this video. And it's been your boy, and we out of here. Peace out. Fuck.
Where'd you find this? All we do is get cash. What's swag? Your boy got a peaches. Check put whatever true. I'm going in no X. My phone is taking 6. Bitch, yo, shit some text. I'm all on no road. I'm running with no vaccine. My first grade, I crash fast. I'm so kamikaze. There's no Asian. I got it for the young bang. I'm not off it, go for it. Even though I'm fine, that's what you got me. That's what you're combining. Said I got the sweetness. I should get some cocaine. So turn up my heart, represent flow on that dance floor. I'm in my sleep with some country and a gas car. Make it like I crash car. my Freddy Krueger. I'm on my Jason Morty, playing that nigga from Luger. They have to take my cake, they are snakes, I'm the producer. My wife knows from future, she love to get Medulla. I'm going in no condom, English no Honda. No to they mind it, can't comprehend this monster. That ain't these fake lobsters, I eat them like a piranha. My fish waves get wrapped up, I'm on my anaconda. Train mine is Honda, gets crushed by my taco. And my shit rocks, no rapper, suicide bomber. My pocket's like cargo, she riding on my lightsaber. Yeah, Princess Leia, she sucking on my lightsaber. No gas is thicker, little service, service bitter. Jurassic World trap, it's real, so it's real. I'm saying by the bell, but I'm saying what is fair. You ain't so you got pressure, checks and boys dead. With high fives and snapbacks, remix and tattoos. I get my way from young bitch and ready to show shit, boom.
One thing I learned about this game, everything you do, you gotta do that shit vigorously.
If you gon' do it vigorously, nigga.
Yeah, dope game fucked up, this shit ain't all great. Niggas charging 5 bands for going to babe. Nowadays a nigga gotta cut you just to make. Yeah, it's either that or strip a nigga naked. Babe, yeah, we on, we gon' get it in. Fuck them niggas, we ball, we gon' get it in. If you a boss, make a move, then you feel it. Everything I do it
To the point of no return, I push it to the max. You need a pack, then come see back, and I got that rowdy tat. For them niggas playing game. No, this ain't Milton Bradley, bitches puzzle game rappers. We some motherfucking sad. If you want it, you can have it. How you want it, motherfucker? Open or close caption, big funeral. Everybody gotta go when I say so. When I'm at your door, when the day blow go, when I turn your ass into a ghost. You know, my little mouth say, yeah, you hard. I do it for us, nigga. Fuck them niggas, we ball. And my closet like a mile. Shit, I ain't even warm with the tags on them. Bitches had ain't even in the stores. And of course, I keep them goons on proud when it's a problem. No money, get your pussy ass wet with a lead shower. And a nigga say, get it the back, red bounce. Plus a game, big pack, nigga. Don't play about it, you know.
And we been dealing this thing since 2003. Yeah, the dope game fucked up, this shit ain't all great. Niggas charging 5 bands for going to babe. Nowadays a nigga gotta cut you just to make. Yeah, it's either that or strip a nigga naked. Babe, yeah, we on, we gon' get it in. Fuck them niggas, we ball, we gon' get it in. If you a boss, make a move, then you feel it. Everything I do it big. I think I've heard it so. Hustling like I'm on the block, ballin' like the world broke don't exist. I ain't heard of such. Y'all niggas be talking about y'all get this money, and y'all niggas broke as fuck. Knowing damn well that y'all can see more than a quarter. Money on the thing that's on a nigga mind, bitch. I can't be tough when it come to my grind. Found me a pocket pack, all else fails we resort to crime. Might as well go get a kid. If you gon' do it, then you gotta do it vigorously. Nah, I mean, fuck them niggas we buy. You don't want this beef out, but I'm shooting over here, gon' fuck around making a tree fall. And yo bitch been digging in that him on 26. And I ain't talking about little smalls when I say this bitch is digging. Man, I got it off at work. Oh, I got it off at green, and I know niggas that be jacking. But it gotta be at least 15 before they move. So hope be cool before you wind up on the news. I cop 12 racks worth of jewels off a cocaine residue. Motherfucker, and we been dealing this deep since 2003. When dope was cheap. Yeah, the dope game fucked up, this shit ain't all great. Niggas charging 5 bands for going to babe. Nowadays a nigga gotta cut you just to make. Yeah, it's either that or strip a nigga naked. Babe, yeah, we on, we gon' get it in. Fuck them niggas, we ball, we gon' get it in. If you a boss, make a move, then you feel it. Everything I do it big. I gotta make it, I'm tired of
bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me.
Okay, maybe you get the picture, you heard?
Bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me. I don't really hear all the talking. All I do is win. That's 'cause this is not an option. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me. No, they steady talking down. I really find it funny. In the end, I'm still getting this money. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me.
I'm walking around and I got my phone forward. I'm looking for a nigga trying to smash my dough. Fuck what you said, fuck how you feel. I see you trying to imitate it like that I live. I ain't trying to be no games, this is standard living. Only approach me if you wanna talk about business. So see, yeah, niggas gon' get it about you first before you and your family wind up this. I go. So hard, so nigga better back up when you get smacked up. I ain't look jacked up, should've never act up. I ain't better up, my start strapped up. I killers in the back for sure. Niggas talking shit, but we don't give a fuck. They all the bullshit don't concern me. That's me for my hunters, it's just my brain. Long when they gon' let the deals full of time to have to deal with a casualty. Call me healer when it comes to show capacity. Use some John Rose like they got traction. That nigga full of wolves, it's not his side. Should be a member of Jacket, cause I ain't where I've been making money. Nigga, you just started now. You ain't the first nigga, look, nigga, now you proud. You done been in me, you would've made nigga. Even they sprawl to you, but I feel smart for you, kid. You know, cause you need me, you don't need to speak. Oh, I hold this thing, you too for me. I'm confident, leave niggas stagnated. Go to trust, so now I've been frustrated. Like, you don't have to get emancipated. You can thank me, you know, if it's just been celebrated.
I don't really hear all that talking. All I do is win. That's 'cause this is not an option. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me. They steady talking down. I really find it funny. 'Cause in the end, I'm still getting this money. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me.
Rolling stone, bitch, I'm a voice on my own. Don't feel safe without my chrome. Whistle for show, I got my cool. Nigga, what now like a Looney Tune. Keep the heat like the 1st of June. Not a doctor, can't fix your wounds. Try to be low, he has stitch. You got the tricks, I got the trick. Strike 3, he missed the bitch. On my D rollin', I got the bitch. Post it up, nigga, we just chillin'. J-Bo, nutty in the hitman with me. Thunder gas, we in the building. Scrapping shit, trying to make a million. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Sometimes gotta take a loss. Bounce back, cause I'm a boss. Middle finger screaming for the laws. Niggas these days so flawed. Me, big baby, hell no. That bullshit pussy talking don't concern me. Hold on.
I don't really hear all that talking. All I do is win. That's 'cause this is not an option. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me. No, they steady talking down. I really find it funny. 'Cause in the end, I'm still getting this money. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me.
MGD in the fridge. Fuck rules, drink money, chicken in this bitch. I got so many problems, my brothers got problems. The same grit, and we don't wanna solve them. But who the fuck are you to judge? You don't know where I've been putting these bugs. Who the fuck is too old to hit these clubs? You need to see these nuts. But why am I listening to you? You mad about the life that you lived up to? Every single thing you ever wanted to do, we did it, and other shit that you never knew. So stay in the bench, you made it. You ain't got a toast for the roads we paved, man. Plus, we don't pay you, cause you know how to out with these niggas stuck flying with shoes. Maybe you stuck in a rut, trying to do what I do, but you suck. Mad cause I'm your son's only role model. Inspired by me to live like full throttle. You're just teaching them to hate, showing them the keys to success being fake. That's why this game's fucked up, you play too much. Thinking you're the expert to say who's tough. No lies, ass face. Mad cause your ass never had to win. Hating on D.E. nigga, that's the same. I'm always minded on yeah, cash it in. Taking YouTube posts, Facebook posts, and sitting in a place that ain't posts. You don't want me to get even less, so that's more than bullshit. That's the same.
I don't really hear all that talking. All I do is win. That's 'cause this is not an option. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit shit don't concern me. No, no. They talking down, I really find it funny. Cause in the end, I'm getting this money. All that bullshit don't concern me. All that bullshit don't concern me.
Semi-auto, spinning block, ready to take away tomorrow. the cell block. Oh man, everybody drunk, passed out. You look good. Call, left 2 or 3 voicemails, sent you 4 or 5 texts. I don't even do that. I ain't answering shorts. What's up? With another dude back.
She ain't answering my call. I've been trying to get through. Guess that she's on 1, so I'm on 2. Don't wanna chill at home, just thinking about you. I would rather hit the bar and get brand new. The best part about being alone is ain't nobody else waiting at home. You go and do what you want, you never hear right from wrong. You could be good, you could be bad, you could do this, you could do that. You could go out and mingle, tell the world I'm single.
It's about time that you answer. Tell me where you've been. Matter of fact, it's all the questions. Say with your friends. Shut up if we discussing this. So now we turn it to an argument. You always hold on to say this time is too late. I'm tired of worrying about what you're doing. You're probably out on one who you're fooling. I guess me, cause I've been so foolish. But I'm done being stuck on stupid. Shame on you. Twice shame on me. But you're listen to baby. Tonight I'm no single soon.
The best part about being alone is ain't nobody else waiting home. You go and do what you want, you never hear right from wrong. You could be good, you could be bad, you could do this, you could do that. You could go out and mingle, tell the world I'm single.
She ain't on 1, yeah, but I'm on 2. Yeah, I'm with her, but you, cause I want you. In my pride, yeah, the things that I won't do. Things that I can't say, even though we know it's all true. She fuck my homeboy's mama, fuck her sister. She talking shit on Facebook and laughing on Twitter. To be truly honest with you, I ain't mind the arguments. I think I just like having someone I can argue with. With these other chicks, I'm fully emotionless. They don't know me just like me cause I'm a vocalist. Like me because I'm dope as shit. And I can't wait for local chick. I'm infamously known for this. Don't worry, things I'm broken.